Good afternoon, all. Yeah, we Tape Solutions welcome you to the Mega Talent Show. I know you already have gone through the data memo event. We are conducting this event to inspire the further generations and yeah, further generations and make them choose their talents as their professions and go or work on their passions and get good career in their field of passion. Yeah, our collaborants, Heartfulness, Vrindavan School of Performing Arts, Deccan Gang is a musical band. Yeah, Flow Interior, there are interior designers. This is an Abhyas. Abhyas is an e-learning solutions platform. Photography channels to Karthik Ziras and Tinku's photography. Anvir is a company which sales pulses from farmers to directly to shops or people who are required. Vertocity is a educational platform for people interested in going to foreign education and all. Okay, with all this, we will be getting into the event. These are all supporting us in different ways to get us on board and work. We are working together to achieve the different aspects for development of students. Okay. Now we will be having a small session. I mean, it's a video. Please follow the instructions and please follow the instructions and get relaxed by yourself. So yeah, we are here to actually enjoy and have a pleasant evening. So let's start it with making ourselves peaceful. Okay. Yeah, let's start the session.
Hi everyone. Do you live in a city or town? Do you commute to school or work? Do you have a heavy workload and not enough time for relaxation and time to just be? Do you have worldly worries? Do you sit at a desk for much of the day? Chances are that if you have answered yes to any of the above questions, you are sometimes stressed and your body tenses in certain places as a result. Most of us don't take the time during the day to relax and let our bodies unwind. This simple relaxation method only takes a few minutes and can be done at any time of the day and anywhere. It's called heartfulness relaxation. Let's try it. Sit comfortably and close your eyes very softly and very gently. Let's begin with the toes. Wiggle your toes. Now feel them relax. feel the healing energy of Mother Earth move up into your feet and ankles, then up to your knees, relaxing the lower legs. Feel the healing energy move further up your legs. Relax your thighs. Now deeply relax your hips, lower body, and waist. Relax your back. From the top to the bottom, the entire back is relaxed. Relax your chest and shoulders. Feel your shoulders simply melting away. Relax your upper arms. Relax each muscle in your forearms, your hands, right up to your fingertips. Relax your neck muscles. Move your awareness up to your face. Relax your jaw, mouth, nose, eyes, earlobes, facial muscles, forehead, all the way to the top of your head. Feel that your whole body is completely relaxed. Scan your system from top to toe, and if there is any part of your body that is still tense, painful, or unwell, immerse it for a while longer in the healing energy of Mother Earth. When you are ready, move your attention to your heart. Rest there for a little while. Feel immersed in the love and light in your heart. Remain still and quiet, and slowly become absorbed in yourself. Remain absorbed for as long as you want, until you feel ready to come out.
I guess everybody is relaxed and are ready to start the event. Yeah, sorry that I had to mute everybody. You can please put your responses in the chat box. మీరు మీ రెస్పాన్సెస్ అన్ని కూడా చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టొచ్చండి. Yeah, for the first performance, I would call upon Master Jayanti Jaisai Mohan to perform her slokas and start the event. Master Jayanti Jaisai Mohan is studying in third standard. She is learning slokas from past 1 year. She took part in sloka recitation competition held in our school and stood second. Apart from that, she is also a sportsman who took part in 100 meters race at colony level and stood third, and also participated in district level 100 meters and 60 meters under 10 athletic meet.
वैराग्यताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्यसाम्राजद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावा बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्र विपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताय योषि पतितां शमीयु कदाचिदभ्यासु दरिद्रवर्याः मूकाश्च वाचस्पति तां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां विमोहादि निवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जदावीष्ट ततिप्रताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौली सरिद्विराजा चषकन्यताभ्यां कृपत्वताभ्यां नतलोकपन्तीः नमो काभ्यां पापान्धकारार्ग परम्पराभ्यां त्यापत्रयाहीन्द्र खगेश्वराभ्यां चत्याप्ति संशोषण पाडवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां श्यामादिषट्क गदवैभवाभ्यां समाधिधान गतदीक्षिताभ्यां रमादवाङ्घ्रि स्थिरभक्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां स्वाशापराणा अखिलेष्टताभ्यां स्वाहा सहाया दुर्नदराभ्यां स्वान्तांच भावप्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कामादिसर्प प्रजगरुडाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्य निधिप्रताभ्यां बोधप्रताभ्यां ऋतमोक्षताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां थैंक यू
Thank you. Thank you, Jayanti, for your wonderful voice. We were really blessed in the afternoon to listen to your voice. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to call upon Mistress N. Rama Shailaja Garu. Rama Shailaja Garu to perform her song, Carnatic Music. She is founder of Raga Music Institute in Hyderabad. She's been teaching Carnatic music since 2 decades. She is also a Hindi teacher. She is going to perform here for you all. Please listen and enjoy.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. గజవదన గణనాద నాద గజవదన గణనాద నాద గౌరీ వరతనయ గౌరీ వరతనయ గజాననా విద్యాదాయక బుద్ధి ప్రదాయక విద్యా गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु विद्या प्रदायक शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु विद्या प्रदायक शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषिक वाहन शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषिक वाहन शरणु सिद्धि विनायक निटिल नेत्रन देवी सुतने नागयज्ञोपवीतने निटिल नेत्रने देवी सुतने नागयज्ञोपवीतने कटिय सूत्रद कोमलांगने कर्णकुंडल धारणे शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु विद्या प्रदायक पट्टमुत्तिन विदुर हरणे बाहुहस्त चतुष्टने पट्टमुत्तिन विदुर हरणे बाहुहस्त चतुष्टने इट्ट तोडिगिय हेम कंकण पाशांकुशधारणे शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु विद्या प्रदायक कुक्षि महालंबोदरणे इक्षुचापन गेलिदने कुक्षि महालंबोदरणे इक्षुचापन गेलिदने पक्षिवाहन श्री पुरंदर निटलहा निजदासने शरणु सिद्धि विनायक शरणु विद्या प्रदायक शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषिक वाहन शरणु सिद्धि विनायक ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful voice and making us know more about Vinayaka. And yeah, now I would like to call upon Miss Meera Seshadrinathan to perform her Bharatanatyam performance. She is director of Department of Dance at Vrindavan School of Performing Arts in Hyderabad. She secured gold medal in master's degree in Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu Open University. She received the Best Student Award in year 2012 from Kalai Kaveri Institute of Fine Arts, Trichy. She is alumni of Kalakshetra. She has around 40 students from Hyderabad and around 10 students from United Kingdom and one from Dubai. I request Ms. Meera Seshadrinathan garu to please start her performance. Wonderful. Thank you for your wonderful performance, Mrs. Meera Garu.
Thank you, Avan.
It's a
Thank you for giving me, thank you for calling me and having me here today. It's a very good job you're doing, Avan. Keep doing it. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your words as well your performance. It was really mesmerizing and wonderful. Next, I would call upon. It's not a main event. It's for entertainment as well encouragement for students. She is Miss Sanjana. I request Miss Sanjana.
Yes,
She is
ready.
going to perform. Yeah. She is going to perform Kuchipudi dance. She is studying in ninth standard. She is learning Kuchipudi since past 6 years. She have won awards like Natya Chudamani, Bala Saraswati, Nataraja Nandishwara, Nataraja. She also have won Nandi Award. She also have placed in one Wonder Book of Records as well in Guinness Book of Records, where she was part of 222 Kuchipudi participants performing an act. Okay, as apart from that, she is also a sportsman who took part in district level kabaddi tournament and their team won their first place. She also took part in skipping competition in their school level and secured second place in it. I request Sanjana to please proceed with her performance. Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you, Sanjana, for your energetic performance. And also, Chinni Krishna, thank you for supporting Sanjana.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, both of you. Yeah, guys. Here ends performances of classical. And now we will start Western schedule with beautiful rap and motivation said by ADT. Actually, it was to be performed by some VTX as an emergency. He could not, and ADT Aditya Singh will be taking his place and would start rapping. Aditya,
Yeah, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Aditya. Aditya, ADT Aka Aditya Singh. He is a member of Deccan Gang. He with his gang performed at many events and hosted ciphers and shows. He with his gang have performed in a show called Gang Leader in TV. It's a television show, and these people keep hosting events for rappers all over Hyderabad and different parts of Telangana and AP, maybe in South India. I request Aditya to please take charge and start rapping.
Okay, I'm starting.
Thank you. Yeah. Please on your video as well.
Okay, bro. Yep. दोपहर की जिंदगी ये जीने इसको शान से गुजर जाएगा हर घंटा लेकर मुस्कान से सफल तो होगा मान हार को भी जीत तेरी सुहाना होगा हर चलते जा तू शान से चलते जा तू शान से गुजर जाएगा हर घंटा लेकर मुस्कान से सफल तो होगा मान हार को भी जीत तेरी सुहाना होगा हर पल ये ग्राइंड करते सुबह शाम उस साथ पे काम पे ध्यान पद पे रहते नहीं पलटाते हम जुबान खुद को पहचान ले बनाना है खुद की पहचान उम्र के लड़कों को ब्रो बड़ों को भाईजान करियर पे ध्यान देते ना कि मैम के बातों पे वही आगे बढ़ते जो चलना सीखते कांटों पे 8 से 8 स्कूल लड़के रहते नींद में और हम गाने लिखने बैठते रातों में 13 की उम्र से गाने लिखते हुए हम बड़े आसमां छुएंगे एक दिन इस उम्मीद में हम खड़े खुशी कभी गम जीने का रिवाज है मैं चलता इस उम्मीद में कि कामयाबी पास है तो पल की जिंदगी ये जी ले इसको शान से गुजर जाएगा हर गम ताल दे मुस्कान से सफल तो होगा मन हार को भी जीत तेरी सुहाना होगा हर पे चलते जा तू शान से चलते जा तू शान से गुजर जाएगा हर गम ताल दे मुस्कान से सफल तो होगा मान हार को भी जीत तेरी, सुहाना होगा हर पल। हाँ चलते जाओ मैं आजमाते हर नजारा, वफा ने मारी भैरी खुद का बना खुद सहारा, तैरता ख्वाबों में मैं ढूंढता हुआ एक किनारा, आराम में चलना मैं सिखाई नहीं चलना चलाना, अजलन छोड़ बराबरी का भी शौक नहीं, मैं चलता पैरों पे तो करता अपनी मर्जी का, बांधो ना पैर को मैं रोकने पर भी ना रुका, पापा कहते गलती ना तो सर तो ना झुका, खूबसूरत लगने लगा वो अंधेरा रास्ता, में रोशनी ढूंढ रहा था पर अंधेरे से भी प्यार था, खुशी कभी गम जीने का रिवाज है, मैं चलता इस उम्मीद में कि कामयाबी पास है, दो पल की जिंदगी ये जी ले इसको शान से, गुजर जाएगा हर गम डाल दे मुस्कान से, सफल तो होगा मन हार को भी जीत तेरी, सुहाना होगा हर पल चलते जा तो शान से। थैंक यू ब्रो।
Thank you for a beautiful song, and it's kind of motivation, I guess. You are guiding the students to choose their way. You are saying it in the song, I guess.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Aditya.
Thanks for inviting me, bro.
Thank you. Always there. We will do many more programs from now.
Yeah, of course, sir.
Yeah.
You're doing
Thank
a
you.
great job. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. And yeah, thank you very much for being here on the short notice and giving us a good performance with a beautiful song. Next, I would call upon Mr. Siddharth, Siddharth, who is a Western dancer. Dubai, yeah. Siddharth, he is a dancer, choreographer, and co-founder of Deccan Gang dance crew. He worked in Bollywood with Salman as an assistant choreographer of Mudassir Khan. He also runs classes of Deccan Gang dance crew. He, with his dance crew, performed at many events and also in as before said, he also participated in a dance show, Gang Leader. He's also my senior in college. We used to perform together. Now he is here to perform for us. Please enjoy the performance. I request Mr. Siddharth, please proceed with your performance. Thank you.
ना पास तू तो आती ढंग से सांस नहीं, चिड़चिड़ा सा रहता हूँ मैं, लगता कुछ भी खास नहीं, जब से मरने लगे हैं तुझ पे बचने की कोई आस नहीं मेरी। ओ जिंदगी में आई जब से वाइब ही बदल गई, घूमता था मैं आवारा लाइफ सी संभल गई, दुनिया मेरी डार्क सी में लाइट सी एक जल गई है। तेरी बातों में तो खो सा गया, मेरी रातों में दिन हो सा गया, प्यार कहते जिसको फाइनली वो हो सा गया, फाइनली फाइनली फाइनली। रहा ना पहले से शायद समझ में कुछ न आए, बोलो ना क्या किया जाए अब, आंखों से नींद है गायब, खुश मैं इतना क्यों, तुझको तवज्जो में क्यों, जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू।
बादल भी दिखते मुझको दिल के शेप में, हैप्पीनेस रहने लगी मेरी जेब में, हारने में है मजा ये वो गेम है, हालत जो है तेरी मेरी भी सेम है, तेरी बातों में दिल खो सा गया, मेरी रातों में दिन हो सा गया, प्यार कह दे जिसको फाइनली वो हो सा गया, फाइनली फाइनली फाइनली। रही ना पहले से शायद समझ में कुछ न आए, बोलो ना क्या किया जाए अब, आंखों से नींद है गायब,
खुश मैं इतना क्यों, तुझको तवज्जो में क्यों, जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू।
मुझको दूर मुझसे करना कोई पाएगा, सोचना क्या जाने जाना, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। तुझको दूर मुझसे करना कोई पाएगा, सोचना क्या जाने जाना, जो होगा देखा जाएगा।
रहा ना पहले से शायद समझ में कुछ न आया, बोलो ना क्या किया जाए अब, आंखों से नींद है गायब। खुश हूँ मैं इतना क्यों हूँ, तुझको तवज्जो में क्यों दूँ, जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू।
Okay, thank you very much, Sidhu bhai.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sparing your time.
Yeah. Fine.
And yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for your energetic performance, Siddharth. Yeah, now I would request Mr. Dhanush Parthasarathi. Dhanush Parthasarathi. While coming to his introduction, he is studying in his 11th standard. He is studying guitar from past 4 months. He already have performed in his school programs in different occasions. Apart from that, he is also a sportsman who took part in district level athletic meet and secured third place in shot put and secured fourth place in 100 meters run, and also took part in state level cycling competition. He's also a photography freak. He tries capturing nature more. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Dhanush, for entertaining us with your musical performance. It was really glorious. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you once again. Yeah, as it draws to an end, we have ended up with all the performances. I would like to call Miss Shrestha to give away oath of thanks. She is a sportsman come dancer. She secured second place in basketball, inter-school competitions, as well kabaddi. She secured the same second place, and she also participated in 100 meters, 400 meters, and relay, and got first and second places. And district level 100 meters, she got second place. And she performed in classical and western dances in inter-school competitions and secured first place. Shrestha.
Good evening, dear all. Hope you have enjoyed the event. For me, it was really amazing. So many talents on one platform. That's like wow. Firstly, I would like to thank all the participants of the main events. Miss N. Rama Sailaja, Miss Meera Seshadrinathan, Mr. ADK, Aka Siddha Aditya Singh, Mr. Sid, Aka Siddharth, for taking time from their hectic schedules and performing here to inspire us. Thank you all. Next, I would like to thank the children participants who have entertained us with their beautiful and mesmerizing performances. Master Jayanti Jaisai Mohan, Miss B. Sanjana, Mr. G. Dhanush Parda Saradi, Mr. Anirudh Prasanna, who will be ending the event with his performance. Thank you, guys. Next, I would like to thank all the audience who have been part of the event and made the event a grand success. Next, I would like to thank the organizing team members for making this event come on board and for having all of us here today. Mr. Satyendra Prakash, Mr. Subbarao, Mr. Pavan, Mr. Anant Prasanna, Mr. Sriram, Mr. Bharat, Mr. Prashant, Mr. Narasimha. Thanks a lot, guys. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the person behind the idea of this mega event, the host for the day, founder, director, Tape Solution, talent acquisition platform of empowerment of students, Mr. B. Avin, who is a civil engineer, sports coach, event manager, event and nature photographer, executive, and advisor board member of few organizations, for giving us all a wonderful experience and supporting us to get inspired to choose our own career in the fields we are interested in or passionate about. Hereby, I take leave by conveying my heartfelt thanks to each and every member present in the event. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrestha, for giving us a good note of thanks. I now request each and everybody to please stand up and on their videos for the national anthem for closing. I request Mr. Anirudh Prasanna. He's studying in 8th standard. He will be performing national anthem on Casio. He have been learning Casio since for around 3 years. For past 3 years, he performed in few programs in different occasions. He's also a sportsman, took part in national level badminton open tournaments. I request everybody, please stand up and on their videos for national anthem. And I request Anirudh. Thank you, Anirudh, for your national anthem. It's an song which we can't forget anytime. Yeah,
Not clear. Audio is not clear.
Yeah, I guess. Thank you everybody for joining the event. I have posted a feedback form. It's also you can also share your preferences, like what you like in that, and we will guide you or help you getting the teachers or someone. Okay, anything's there, you can also contact me personally, and you can message in the group. The group will be active, I mean, open to all from now. Okay, please fill the feedback form, and we will also share the feedback form in the group. Thank you everybody for being in the meeting. Anybody wish to ask anything can ask now. We have 5 minutes of time. We'll end up by 4:25. Anybody would like to say anything or would like to share their experience can do.
Evan,
Yeah.
ఇది ఎవ్రీ వీక్ వస్తుందా ప్రోగ్రామ్?
లేదు, అకేషనల్లీ మంత్లీ వన్స్ ఆర్ 2 months ఒకసారి పెడతామని అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఇంతకు ముందు ఎలా అంటే పండగలకి ఎలా కండక్ట్ చేసే వాళ్ళం. సో ఫ్రమ్ నెక్స్ట్ మేబీ ఏదైనా లైక్ మంత్లీ ఈవెంట్ లాగా చేద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాము.
అంటే మేము ఇక్కడ తోమకుంట్లోనే ఉంటాము. అక్కడ లోపల ఏమైనా ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అయినాయా? డాన్స్ గానీ మ్యూజిక్ గానీ?
ప్రస్తుతానికి ఆన్లైన్ రన్ అవుతున్నాయండి. మీకు ఏదన్నా లైక్ ఆఫ్లైన్ రన్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే ఐ విల్ లెట్ యు నో.
ఓకే,
నాకు ఒక్కసారి మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, నా నంబర్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే. డీటెయిల్స్ ఏమైనా
ఓకే, లేకపోతే వచ్చి కలుస్తానేమో.
ఓకే అండి, ఎలా అయినా పర్లేదు.
సరే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఎనీ క్వైరీస్?
Avan, thanks for the program.
Always welcome. Okay guys, it's high time, so yeah, we will close the event for today. We may have the next event for Sankranti. We will let you know in advance. Please don't leave the group. You will be updated with the programs coming further in the group.
Advance Happy New Year, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok. Next time మీ పిల్లల్ని రెడీ చేయి పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కి.
ఓకే అన్న, షూర్.
మీ స్కూల్ పిల్లలకు కూడా we can do thing. Okay అన్న.
ఓకే అన్న.
Okay, Ashok. Thank you for participating.
Thank you, Evan. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you all. Okay, let's end up the meeting for now. Anybody is missing in the group can get added up. We will share the link again. You can add up. We will share you the YouTube link of the program. Please subscribe once we share and then share it. Thank you one and all for joining the event.